Hey, good morning, everyone. Lone Wolf here. I see a lot of posts online on different forums, Reddit, Twitter, wherever, about setting up a Thrustmaster T16000 HOTAS system, stick and throttle. As you can see on the camera here, I do have the Thrustmaster throttle right here. And a lot of people have been having a lot of issues about um, when you set it up and you push forward to increase your thrust, you're actually decreasing and you have to pull it back in order to go forward. I'm gonna log in and actually show you what I've done to fix that remedy, and then I'll add on a couple other things that I've done for my own build to make flying in Star Citizen a little bit easier, or at least I think it's easier for the single stick and throttle setup. So we're going to go ahead and go into Arena Commander right now. And we are just going to go single player. Free flight. Broken Moon is alright. And to select a ship, we're just going to go with an RSI Aurora. And launch game. So my controls are already set up properly for what I want it to do, but I'm gonna walk you through everything that I've done so far. So angle our ship, and as you can see, I push forward, I'm moving forward. I pull back, and I go to all stop. So for me to do that, I had to go into options, under key bindings, make sure and go over to joystick HOTAS, select advanced controls. Under flight movement, you'll notice pitch is input 3, roll input 2, and so on and so forth. So for me to get this to work, for my forward thrust, I had to set throttle forward to my input 2. That's my throttle slider here. You got to pay attention to which one is which, because this will be key for the next step. So once I got the throttle forward set to Z axis input 2, I had to go into controls. Down in the lower right, select HOTAS number 2. That's input number 2. And then inversion setting, under flight, flight movement, and then which one was it? I believe flight straightforward right here. I had to select yes to invert it. So I'm going to go ahead and deselect that, put it to no. And we're going to go back into game. So as you can see, throttle is pulled all the way back, and it increased my speed to full. Push it forward, it's slowing down. So you got to make sure and go into the controls, inversion, HOTAS select number 2, inversion settings, flight, and flight straightforward to yes. So we're going to invert that, which will flip it around so you don't have that issue anymore. Now the question arises, you're in a hangar, you're parked backwards, so your nose is pointing inwards towards the inner hangar, and your tail end of your ship is pointing towards the hangar door. My ship's too big and I can't turn it around inside the hangar. How do I back out? So with that, you're going to go under key bindings, joystick HOTAS, advanced controls. You're going to go to flight movement, and strafe, forward, back, invert. So you're going to select, put that. I placed it to what they're listing as button 1. I have it set to the orange button right down here. So I'm going to go back into the game, and so I am flying forwards currently. I'm going to slow my velocity to 0. I'm going to toggle that button. Now I'm going to throttle back up. Can't really see it all that well, so we'll change our view, and as you can see, I am now moving backwards. Toggle it again. I'm now moving forwards. From what I have seen, you do have to throttle down and press that button in order to fly backwards, to switch between forward velocity and rear velocity. So, since I've already said I fly with just one stick in my throttle here, I have my roll controls set to this rocker switch right here. I do not use it on my joystick because that's one of the downsides to the 16,000 series from Thrustmaster, is the twist tends to get a little jinky. So it makes it very hard to control your roll. So I swap it over to this right here. And then my vertical thrust, there is a little thumb switch here that is just it's not an actual switch, it's more, it just rolls, as you can see. So if I pull up, I'm strafing up, pull down, strafing down, and I'll show that on screen here as well. So strafe up, strafe down. I'll change my camera, and then strafe left, strafe right. And the last question that I've been asked is my speed limiter. Some people have tried placing the speed limiter on this rolling switch right here, but it gets quite janky from what I've heard, and I've actually tried it myself. It does not work all that well. So what I have done is, under keybinds, advanced control, where is it? Flight movement. So right here, speed limiter increase. So this thumbstick right here, if I pull up, it is increasing my speed limiter, and if I push it down, it decreases it. So that's everything that I have set up so far on my Star Citizen control layout. I hope this has been quite informative for you. I hope whoever watches this finds this very helpful. And I will see you all around in the verse. Thank you very much for watching.